Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering and connecting the device. Plug the Chromecast into an HDMI port and attach its power cable to a wall adapter or a USB port that supplies steady power. Once the TV is on the correct HDMI input, you'll see the setup screen prompting language and network steps. Make sure you have your phone with the Google Home app and the Wi-Fi password open now, because the app will discover the Chromecast and guide pairing within seconds. Open Google Home and tap the plus icon to add a new device. Grant location, Bluetooth and local network permissions so the app can find the Chromecast. Once discovered, verify the code shown on your phone matches the TV to ensure secure pairing. Choose a descriptive device name, sign into your Google account when prompted, then select and join your Wi-Fi network. Make sure to enable remote access or guest mode now if you plan to cast from other devices later. Finish by applying any system updates and configuring Google Assistant voice control so you can search and control playback hands-free. Sign into your streaming services and arrange apps on the home screen for quick access. Adjust display scale and audio preferences in settings to match your TV. If setup fails, first reboot both Chromecast and router, check you're on the correct Wi-Fi band, and that the phone and device are near each other. As a last resort, perform a factory reset to start fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.